Okay, guys, welcome to this live. Today we are going to look at the top 10 AI altcoins, crypto coins that you can look at right now, and especially what's going to happen tonight. Hey guys, I think there was something wrong with my volume here, my microphone. Sometimes the technology lets it down. I'm live, guys, and I'm doing this on the fly. So today we're going to look at some of the top 10 AI altcoins. I'm talking about crypto coins that top 10 AI, artificial intelligence. Guys, this is a big thing. This is a narrative, and especially what is going to happen today. There's news today that are coming out. The NVIDIA is going to present their earnings, total earnings for this season, and the sentiments, the fundamentals out there are showing that they expect an increase, a growth in the Nvidia earnings for this season, and that can send these AI coins skyrocketing. So I'm going to give you the 10 AI coins that you need to look at before this happens. Okay, guys. So this is coming in timely, and welcome to the Smart Wolf Club, guys. And this is what our members are doing. They're looking at these 10 coins, and I am here to share this with some of my private students and some of our private students. Courtesy to them, we are going to share this list with you guys, and you can keep an eye on that. And if you want to participate in this, again, you're going to do this at your own risk. Basically, whatever you're going to do here is risky stuff. Anything to do with putting your money on AI. Let's go back and bring up our disclaimer as usual. Okay, guys, we are going to bring the disclaimer, very, very important. And I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can also see what the disclaimer says, guys. See here so that we are all on the same page. Okay, I'm going to share the screen so I'll become smaller on a corner somewhere. Hopefully, this is going to cooperate. And there we go. And here is the disclaimer. Okay, so what you're about to watch is not financial or investment advice. This is also not a get rich quick scheme, but highly risky. Okay, the views presented are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Seek professional advice if necessary. Okay, so whatever our coaches provide in the Smart Wolf Club is not financial advice or investment advice. They just share the experiences. Some of us have been online since 1998, okay, 1998, okay, and so whatever we are sharing is what our students and our members are doing every day, in and out, okay. So we're just sharing our experience. So take that with a pinch of salt, and you can do your own research, seek professional advice where necessary. And here is the cardinal rule: anything that involves investing your money, always invest money that you can afford to lose. Okay, because you can lose your entire investment. There's a potential of you losing your investment, the entire investment, or part of it. So just go this knowing that there is a massive risk involved. Okay, so whatever coins we're going to share with you, there are no guarantees that you're going to achieve the results that we're going to depict. Some of our students, if you stay up to the end of the training, you will see some of our students. Some of our students are going to share their accounts live. So you can see exactly what they're doing. Okay. If we have enough time, we can go through some of those. But in the meantime, I want to give you guys this top 10 list. So sit back, watch it, and pay attention. Okay. Now, for those of you who are going to watch this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, it's very important we grow this channel so we can have this information out there. Our goal is to reach as many brothers and sisters so we can help you guys, make money online. This is the idea of getting your freedoms, that extra side hustle, getting that extra dollar here and there while you work on your main focus on your main goals. Okay, the idea is to have that freedom, and that is what we are talking about here in the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, so now some of you are always asking, how can we participate in these live streams, live trainings? You can join the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, so if you quickly go to let me bring it up here so you guys can see. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's going to be some echoing here. All right, you see down here where it says there's a link here which says click here, click the link below to join Smart Wolf Club members community. So you just click that. When you click that, it's going to open on this, and this is what you're going to see. So basically, what the requirement is just your name and your email address, and you can join the masterclasses. So we have several masterclasses that go on concurrently all the time. The coaches, we have coaches from all over the world. These are individuals who have been doing this for many, many years, 15 years, 17 years, some of them 20 years they've been doing this stuff. So they're going to share their experiences with you. Some of them one on one, some of them live sessions like we have right now, and they are going to pour unto you. Okay. And blessed are those who are patient and those who are going to follow the teachings, those who are going to follow the trainings, and whatever you're going to have over the shoulder, you see them do exactly. When they click, you click. When they sell, you sell. When they buy, you buy. Okay. Very simple, easy peasy. 16-year-olds can do it. 99-year-old grandmother can do this. All you have to do is just follow the trainings. Follow the training. If you're coachable and you're ready to learn, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So let's bring up the list. I know most of you. Drum roll, please. Can I see the ones on the chart? Let me see a number of ones coming. Drum roll so we can bring up the list, guys. Okay, here we go. Here is the list. Here is the list. Okay, so guys, here are the coins we will cover today. So in this video, we're going to look at the top 10 AI powered altcoins, okay, that are poised for explosive growth. Now, this could happen as soon as today. Right now, the market is waiting for the Nvidia's earnings, the report that they're going to produce today, later today, the earnings report. If it becomes as expected, these things are going to skyrocket. I can tell you that. Okay. They are going to skyrocket. So, for those of you who are better placed in this, some of you have stakes in this, some of you are holding some of these coins, you might be in for a rude, massive, massive explosions. Okay. And these coins have a potential to beat their highest levels ever, okay, based on what is going on right now. And I'm going to show you some graphs. I'm going to share with you a lot of details and the fundamentals. If we have enough time, we're going to share some more live accounts that our students are doing right now. Okay, with their permission, we will share some of their live accounts. So, what are we going to look at right now? We're going to look at some of the top 10 AI powered altcoins. So, there is AI sentiments behind some of these coins that you're seeing here. And the first one you guys can see is the graph, okay? And the symbol is GRT, known as the Google of blockchain, okay? The graph indexes blockchain data, powering countless dApps with efficient AI enhanced data retrieval, okay? The second one is Injective. This is a decentralized exchange platform which uses AI to streamline trading experiences, transforming the DeFi landscape. Okay, all this might be sounding gibberish to you guys, especially for the spanking new members, and especially for those of you who are joining us for the first time, and for especially for those of you who have not gone through our crypto trading masterclass. So this might be sounding like French, Chinese, or whatever it is, like a foreign language. But stay put. I'm going to explain this. I'm going to break this down, and I'm going to show you some of these coins live. And I'm going to take you to the market, and you're going to see exactly where you can find these coins, and you can understand more where you can join these communities, and you can see who is and who is behind these narratives. Okay, so Injective is one. Number two there, Render Network. You know about Render. Here's the symbol RNDR. And again, Render is ideal for creatives and developers. Okay, so Render leverages decentralized GPU power for efficient and affordable digital content creation. Okay, so this is a platform for creators, developers, people who want to need extra GPU power. Okay, you know what that is. Now, Fetch AI, known for its autonomous agents, automates tasks in finance, energy, and more, delivering real world AI applications on the blockchain. Okay. And then we have number five, Singularity. So, guys, you can take screenshots of this. Okay. We are not hiding anything here. Everything is on the table. Okay. No card under. I'm going to show you up to 10. I promised 10, and they are 10 actually right here. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you to the charts and show you each single one of these. See how it is behaving right now. Okay, and where you can buy these coins if you want to take part of this. Okay, and again, it's at your own risk, but here is what the sentiment is out there. I'm going to show you some of the fundamentals, the data that's out there. Okay. So we have Fetch AI, known for its autonomous agents. We have Singularity. The symbol is right there, AGIX, a marketplace for AI services. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, where you want to sell your AI services, allowing developers to build and monetize AI applications globally. Okay, then we have the Ocean protocol, okay, focused on data sharing. Ocean enables secure AI data transactions, unlocking the potential for big data in AI projects. We have number 7, Oasis Network. The symbol is ROSE, ROSE. Wonderful, wonderful. This is privacy centric, okay? Blockchain facilitates secure, okay? People talk about security, security, web security, everything in the blockchain, the same industries, healthcare. So this is on the blockchain, okay? Oasis. Then we have the Filecoin again. This is a decentralized storage solution. You know, storage is a big, big, big thing. Data storage, data storage. So we're talking about AI data storage with a focus on security and accessibility. That is the most important thing. You want to be able to store your data securely, and you also want to have access to your data whenever you want. How first data accessibility in a secure fashion. So this is one of those projects that's going on there. Then we have Bitensor or Tao. It's a decentralized framework for collaborative AI model sharing, making machine learning. Now, machine learning, guys, this is big, big, big. Machine learning is big time. Okay, so again, we have something on the blockchain, a project that is AI based, and you can see Bitenzo is offering us that solution. So learning accessibility and transparency. Okay, so it's making AI modeling sharing very easy and making machine learning more accessible and transparent. Okay, that is a framework that you guys have to look at. Then we have the Akash network. Okay, this is a marketplace for affordable cloud computing. Again, cloud computing. Everybody is talking about iCloud, cloud computing. Okay, so here we go. We have a network on the blockchain that is providing a marketplace for affordable cloud computing, giving us alternatives, okay, reducing costs for projects with high computational needs, okay, including AI. And we are headed that way, right? Most systems are now computerized, automated. So, what are they looking for? Affordable cloud computing capacity. So, guys, there you go. Those are the 10. And now we're going to take each one of them and go and see how they look like on the charts. Okay, so the first one is the graph. So I'm just going to quickly go to the charts and we are going to bring up the graphs. So which platforms are we using here? We are using TradingView. Okay, so if you don't have a TradingView account, you guys, I have been telling you to get all these free resources. Okay, all you need is your name and your email address. Okay, you can go to, I think we should have shared the link here. Okay, if the link is not on here, it's in my previous video, but I'm going to share it on here so you guys can access TradingView, or you can just go to tradingview.com, your name, your email address, and you can get the free account. Okay, and if you want to be able to do more later on, you can subscribe. They have a subscription where you guys can subscribe. Okay, so normally I'll put the link below here, and I'm going to do that. I'll put it under here so you guys can sign and okay, get your account. So anyway, I'm going to put it on the chat right now. So for those of you who are live, you can go and sign there. But anyway, once you're on TradingView, what you can do is you can go where it says crypto. You'll click crypto. Okay, let me move this guy out of here so I can see. There we go. We are going to click where it says crypto, and you are going to type graph. As you guys can see, graph, I've given you the symbols. So graph is right here, GRT. So you come here and you are going to look at GRT USDT. USDT is the stable coin. If you missed our previous training, we've been talking about all this. I'm going to link the playlist here so you can watch the previous training. Normally, our trainings build from the previous training. So if you miss some of our trainings, you may have to go back and rewatch the previous one. Otherwise, we're going to make these videos so long, and I know most of you guys are impatient. Most people have the attention of what? Goldfish. the microwave mentality that we have right now. Most people don't have much time, okay? They don't have much patience. So what we do is we build up from the previous lecture, from the previous training, from the previous lesson. Our next lesson is probably going to be referring to what we learned last time. So that's why when I talk about symbols, when I talk about USDT, some of you I can see are like, what is USDT? USDT is a stable coin, and one USDT is equivalent to $1. Again, you can look at it under GRT against the US dollar. It doesn't matter. It's going to probably be looking the same, and you guys can see what the graph is behaving. Here is the chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the weekly chart, and you guys can see what we are talking about. You can see at the moment, you can see what do you guys see? You can see it's already showing some signs of life here. This week, it's green. We have a green candle. Green candle means going up. So that means that it started down here and it is going up. We are not yet at the end of the week yet, but you can look at last week. Again, we had that type of a candle. It was a green candle here. It started down here, went up all the way up there and pushed a little bit. There was a bit of drawback here. And you can see this is happening because if we bring up the Bitcoin chart, guys. Now, why do I refer to Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the mother of all the cryptos. This was the original cryptocurrency to be developed on the blockchain. Thanks 2009 by Nakashi. What's his name again? Guys, do we have Tajimoto on here? One of our coaches is from Tokyo, Japan. His name is Tajimoto. He's been with the Smart Wolf Club for over 15 years. So Tajimoto can help us with the name of the originator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. He says it's Satoshi Nakamoto. So Satoshi Nakamoto was the originator of Bitcoin. You can go and read about the history of Bitcoin, but at the moment, we are only concerned about the relevance of Bitcoin. Guys, look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is going to go to 100K. Look at it right now. It's over. It's probably at the highest ever. Yes, at 94,000 per Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time that it's going to get to 100,000, which is a massive, massive psychological level. For those of you who are into trading, fundamentally, 100,000, we're going to probably see a pullback. Okay, because most people are just waiting for Bitcoin to reach 100,000 and they're going to start selling. So that could potentially bring a pullback. So be prepared for that. Okay. Now, if you, for example, got in here when Bitcoin was at 15,000, that was January last year, 2023, January, one Bitcoin was at 15,000. You held that up to today where Bitcoin is almost getting to 100,000 before maybe the end of this month would be at 100,000. It's very possible. Look at that rate. Look at what is going on there. Look at what is happening. This is the weekly chart. If we go down to the 4-hourly, for example, let's see where is Bitcoin right now. How is it behaving? This is the 4-hourly chart. So every candle here represents 4 hours. You can see the last 4 hours, you can see Bitcoin was at 95. We did hit 95, I think. Yes, that tip there is almost 95K, 94,700 and some change. And then it did pull up back for the last 4 hours because that's exactly what happens. Okay, some people sell, some people when it hits a certain level, 94,500, that could be somebody's psychological level, and they may decide to take off some profits. So when they sell, what happens? The price goes down, and when people buy, the price goes up. So when you look at fundamentals, so if you bring up Bloomberg news, Bloomberg market news, for example, Bloomberg business news, let's just do some research here. Now, our researchers in the Smart Wolf Club provide this information for us, but I can show you guys how you can do this. You don't need somebody to do this for you. You can do it for yourself. If you look at Bloomberg business news, and you can see in the last, let's see, here you go to Bloomberg, and we are just going to look at their news, the latest, not political news. We want business news, what they're saying about the markets. You can see top securities, and we're going to be looking at if we can find anything they're saying about Bitcoin right now, because if this is online, Bitcoin, okay, you can see right here, Bitcoin rises to record with MicroStrategy. Bitcoin rises to record with MicroStrategy stepping up purchases. Okay, I'm not subscribed to Bloomberg on this computer, so I am not going to be able to see a lot, but I'm just showing you here. Okay, Bitcoin rises to record with MicroStrategy stepping up. Okay, we want to see how much they actually purchased. If you're going to look at, let's go to Coinbase news and let's see what Coinbase is saying. For those of you who are in the United States, you can see what Coinbase is saying right now. They share some of the links. Okay, right now on-chain rewards, Coinbase releases third quarter shares. This is one of the biggest platforms in the world, crypto platforms. Okay, they are actually publicly traded in the NYC, and you can see actually their stock has almost over doubled. It's like 350 right now, the Coinbase stock. So for those of you who don't want to participate directly to the crypto, like buying Bitcoin, you could indirectly invest in the crypto world using some of these companies like MicroStrategy. Again, you can look at their stock. When Bitcoin goes up, their stock goes up. When Bitcoin goes up 10%, their stock goes up almost 70%. You know, it's a leverage trade. Same thing with Coinbase. That's exactly what is happening. And you can keep track of these two stocks that are purely crypto based, crypto driven. So for those of you guys who are okay, this is some great alpha that I'm giving it to you guys. Okay, I'm giving this out for free, and this is some great alpha for those of you who are looking into capitalizing on this bull market. Okay, let's go back to the GR graph, and as you can see, the point I was trying to make here is that when Bitcoin is pumping, what happens to the altcoins? Money flows from Bitcoin to the altcoin. So when Bitcoin is pumping like this, some people are taking profits, selling off their Bitcoins, and where do they put the money? They put their money in the altcoins. And right now, one of the strongest narratives is the AI narrative. And I have just proved it to you that this could be a potential money maker for a lot of you, changing lives, okay, for some of you. For those of you who are into this, and you have top 10 coins here, which I have put for you guys. From our researchers in the Smart Wolf Club, this is what they have come up with. And we are simply going through each one of them to see exactly what you have. So now somebody is asking, where can I buy Graph? If you want to get your hands on Graph, it's very simple. You can start from here because I know we have students from all over the world. So you're going to be able to access these coins from different places, depending on where you come from, depending on your country, the rules in your country, what they allow and what they don't allow. So just follow what is going on in your country. So if we come here and we look at some of the coins, so if we search for Graph, okay, so we look for Graph, you can see it's right here, GRT. Right now, the price of Graph is 0.227. Okay, at the moment, it is at 0.227. The market cap is 2 billion already. Okay, $2.165 billion, and the fully dilution value is 2.446 billion already over there. You can see the trading per 24-hour circulation, total supply, max supply. So all the data that you need is right here to make a serious and you can see this is based on Arbitrum, okay, the Arbitrum ecosystem. So what is Graph? You can see here, okay. And if you want to go to their website to do more research, again, you can come. We should find their website right here, thegraph.com. So you go right there. Okay, so that's a little rabbit hole, okay, for you to follow. You got to do some work, guys. Don't be lazy. So it tells you access the world's blockchain data. So Graph is basically a data aggregator for us, and you can see exactly the kind of products. You can go further, read their blog. Okay, all the announcements are put on here. You can see 6,000 plus subgraphs such as Aave, Balancer, EN, all these things they're put over here for you to read. Okay, so you can go there and do your now. If you want to see their documentation about the graph, quick start, developer FAQs for those of you guys who are developers and you want to participate in this, and curators, delegators, everything is over here. It tells you exactly how you can, and you can see the number of networks they are working with, thousands, maybe hundreds of these networks. Okay, you can see where it is. Okay, so there you go. You can see a lot of that. Now, you can get your graph. For those of you, let's say, in the countries like the United States, if you have the Coinbase app, okay, Coinbase app, you can download the Coinbase app. Again, we have a link right here where it says where to buy your crypto. Sign up for these and get some free cryptos. Coinbase right there. Click that link, okay, it's below there. Go ahead, download the app, and you can buy the graph from there, okay. All you need is your bank account or your debit card, and you can buy the graph from there. Okay. So I think that's it with the graph. Let's go to the next one. The next one is now for those of you who are from other parts of the world. Okay, you can still buy the graph from exchanges like Bybit. Okay, let's bring Bybit. Let's bring Bybit on there. You can see there are many, many other exchanges. Do we have a link to some of those? Yeah, right here. There's a link right there. It says buy, sign up, and receive a 510 USD bonus now if you're going to trade. So there is Bybit there. There's CoinW. Now, they may need KYC. If you don't want to do KYC, you can go to Bluffin, BOL, bluffin.com, and you can go ahead and sign up for a free account there, and you can buy your crypto from there. There are many other places, crypto.com, Binance US, Binance.com, KuCoin. There are many, many places where you can go and buy your crypto. Okay. And this is where you can buy some of these cryptos. Okay. Altcoins. So now we go back to the second one, Injective. This is a decentralized exchange platform which uses AI to streamline trading experiences. Again, if we look at Injective, so we go back here and I'm going to this resource here. It's called coingecko.com. It's a free resource. There are many others. There's CoinMarket, CoinGecko. So now we come here and look at Injective. Here is Injective. So you can see Injective is 23.559 and it is they are in the red. Guys, you've seen they're all ready. They are below market right now. This is the best time to buy. When they are low priced, you buy. Okay, that's the time to buy. Okay, you don't want to buy it when it's up here at $25 or more than that. You don't want to buy it when it is like up here, $48, 42. So right now you're gonna get them at cheap discounted. They have a potential of doubling themselves. You can see they have not reached their previous high yet, and these coins are going to pump up to their previous high. Especially whatever news are going to come up today, uh, based on Nvidia's earnings. If those earnings beat the projections, the expectations, these coins are going to skyrocket. Okay, they are going to skyrocket because they are all AI based coins. So right now you can get them at a discount. Okay, right here, there's a massive pullback. You can see based compared to what they were last year. Actually, excuse me, earlier this year in March, you can see there was like at some point Injective was $51, and right now it's $23. Pullback, massive pullback. So you have a potential to even double your investment just by buying and holding, not doing any gimmicks, just buying and holding. Okay, because these are likely to beat their all-time high. This was their all-time high, and they're likely to beat that way above. Looking at what is Bitcoin doing, because Bitcoin gets to 100,000, these some of these go by 2, 3, 4, 5x their previous highs. Okay. So that's the Injective. If you go to Trading View here and you type Injective, you can see it's right there, Injective, and you can see right now it's probably reaching a support level. You can see we are almost at a support level, guys. If you draw a line here, that's called a support line. We are almost at a support level right there. Look, if I can move this. Oh shit. I'm sorry, guys. Excuse my French. Let's clean up some of these. I'm not able to move this stuff. Okay, there we go. All right. So you can see that to me looks like a very nice support level. So this is going to come down here. So you're going to be buying it at a discount. And what is it going to do? It's going to hit the support level and it's going to spring backwards to probably trying to get to the previous high. Okay, and you can see the previous high was sometime about 9 months ago. So let's look at the weekly. My internet is very slow. That's why you can see the lines are just duplicating themselves. All right, so you see the previous high. You can see the previous high on this thing. Look at that. Look there. And we are down here at the moment. So we have that up leg that we can benefit from. So right now you'll be buying this, you'll be entering here at a discount. And the policy is very simple. It's buy low, sell high. Okay. So you're gonna buy low here and you're gonna sell high. When it gets to this previous high, you're likely to start taking your profits. And that will give you almost double, two, three times, 2x, three times your investment. So this is how you look at it, okay? And the other one is we are going through this now. Render, for example, beautiful render. We come up here and we're going to look for render. And again, we're going to see how render is behaving. It's probably following the similar pattern. They behave the same way, okay, because they are under the same narrative. These are AI tokens, and you can see they are behaving about the same. You can see also it's showing red. They are discounted right now. At some point, render was $8.23. If we go even further, at some point, render was at $10, no, $13.17, and right now render is way down here at 761. Okay, so it's not even gotten close to its previous high, and there is an up leg that is still available for you guys to benefit from. And if you go to the chart and type render, again, you can see render against the US dollar. You can see again, actually, it is already starting to go up, guys. You can see it's already starting to go up. They come and hit this level here, which is like a resistance level, and you can see it is already going up. You see that? Okay, this was like a resistance level here, and now it is going up. It's clearly forming a double bottom. You can see a double bottom here, showing that we are now on the up leg. Okay, we are on the side of the going up. Okay, so that's what we are looking at the moment. Okay, in the Smart Wolf Club, that's what our members are looking at, these AI coins, and we are just waiting for the Nvidia earnings that are coming up today. And if they beat their projected earnings, guys, this is gonna fly off these charts. Okay, so you gotta be prepared for that. Okay, and now where do you get these? Again, for those of you, Coinbase, the different exchanges that I've shown you guys, you can go there and buy those using your credit cards, debit cards, or your bank accounts, depending on where you come from. Okay, whichever part of the world you come from. Okay, so the other one is, let's look at fetch, FET. Okay, so fetch, again, we go to fetch. So you come here and you can type fetch. All right. We want to look at fetch. You can see it right here. Again, look at the price. So right now you're going to get it at a discount. Okay. You are getting it at a reduced price, guys. You can see right there. You're getting it at throwaway price. This is buy low, guys. This is when you buy low. Okay. Literally just fetch. And if you want to go to their website and read more about them, you can see open marketplace for AI agents. Okay. So this is basically what they do, products, what they have, solutions. They are over, and for those of you who are developers, again, build your first agent, AI agent. You can do that on here. Technology stack, again, everything is here for you on this platform. Okay. So let's look at the chart. If you look at the chart, let's go over here. Again, you can see the market cap. Okay, again, you can see it's at a discount. Okay, it is at a discount. Okay, the highest levels were, you can see at some point, fetch was fetch was up here. You can see at some point we were as high as up here, 3.480, and now it's down here at 1.2. Okay, so almost 3x right there for us to get to the previous high. And the altcoin run is coming soon based on what Bitcoin is doing. Okay. Okay, then the other one is, let's go to the next one. Singularity, AGX. Again, you go to AGX. Here you come, AGX. Let's see, AGIX. Okay, so AGX, Singularity. And AGX is right here. You can get that. Now let's say premium. Okay, there you go. You can see how it's behaving against the US dollar. Okay, so right now you're getting it at a discount. Not for long though. You can see it's already showing a green candle. This is the weekly candle. So there is some movement going up there. It's hit like a support level there. So now we're going to be in for an uptrend. Okay. So again, there you go. And if you go to a place like, if you don't know where to find it, again, just go to CoinGecko. And CoinGecko is going to show you where you can find this. All right, you can see the market cap is 196 million, so not very big yet compared to some of the other billions of dollars. Again, you're getting it at a discount, and it can even tell you where you can buy. It shows you exactly where to buy it for some of you. You can go here, swap your Ethereum to Singularity using Uniswap. So if you are holding some Ethereum or ETH-based coins, you can convert those into Singularity. Again, you can easily do that, or you can go to platforms like Bybit, Bitgate, and you can buy those directly from there. So not difficult. And if you want to go to their website, and read more about it, you can read their white paper, see what they're based on, and Singularity. And you can look at their YouTube, their Instagram, their Twitter, which was Twitter now X. This is where a lot of these guys share their information. So if we go to their Twitter, you can see like up to dates. You can get daily updates. You can get minute to minute updates. And a lot of it is going on there. So they tell you whatever, who they have collaborated with, who they are signing, who are the guys behind, how much money they are pumping into their research, and this can develop you, they can give you a fundamental feel of exactly what is going on so you can make the right decisions, whether you want to be part of the infrastructure, the project, and if they are, okay, look at how much they're sharing in here. You can look at the followers. They have over 153.2 thousand followers. Okay, you can see that, and you can see founding member of the SI Alliance. So if you want to know more about what the SI Alliance is, you can look at that. It tells you exactly what is going on here on their Twitter feed. Again, so they're making all the announcements there. If you want to look at their Telegram, again, you can go to Telegram. If you like Facebook, Discord, you can join all those and be following what minute to minute. Now, if you want to go to their website, you can bring it up here and you can see it tells you exactly what it is. Explore our ecosystem, explore our SI Alliance, artificial intelligence, super artificial, visit vision paper, and it tells you the people behind the stuff. And you can watch their videos, you can understand what the project is all about. And if you're a developer, it tells you, okay, you can see who are the guys behind this. You can see a lot of these are crypto lovers. These are guys who have been in the markets for a very, very long time. You can see who they collaborate with, some big projects like Cardano. You can see Ocean, Fetch.ai, and you can see so many partners here. And if you want to partner with them, there you go. Guys, so there's endless supply of information for you to make the right decisions, okay? And here we go. So render, fetch, singularity. So now we have Ocean Protocol. Again, you can do the same. Oasis, Filecoin, Bitonzo, Akash. We can do the same. Let's look at Akash for now. Let's look at Akash and let's see what's going on with Akash. Again, similar thing. You just come here, and if you go to Coinbase app, you can buy your Akash from there. Okay, here is Akash AKT network. Again, you can see you're gonna get it at a discount because you see they're all showing the red arrow going down. That means the price is getting to, and if we go to trading view and bring AKT, let's look at where is our support level. If we look at our support, you see we just left the support zones. This was like a support zone down here. You can see there's a support zone here, and we are now going up. This week, you can see we are posting green candles, and you can see the previous highs. We are not any near their previous highs. Okay, we are not near their previous highs at all. You can see at some point Akash was up here at almost $7, $7.1, and right now you can see where we are. We are at 3.9. So there is still a massive uptake there that to we can benefit from. Okay, so we're just waiting for the news on Nvidia and see what happens. Okay, these could be running. So if you want to be prepared, then go and make those decisions based on your research. Okay. So right now you can see Akash. It tells you exactly what Akash does, and you can go to their social media and follow them up. If you look at their Twitter, again, you can see there's a lot of announcements being made here. You can see they have about 118.9 followers. Compare that, the other one had 100 and about the same, 100 and something thousand people. Binance futures now, it's being traded on Binance. Okay. So for those of you traders, we go through trading, crypto trading in our masterclass. For those of you who want to learn like exactly how to trade crypto, you can go through our masterclass. The link is the same. Okay. You just go to our join here and you can join our masterclasses. There are different masterclasses. We have students who are going through crypto trading masterclass, stocks trading masterclass, options trading masterclass, forex trading masterclass. We have digital marketing masterclass, and then there's students who are just going through the fundamental finance bundles. They're going through fundamental, the new markets, emerging market. You want to learn about new markets, your personal finance. You can go through our trainings. Okay. The idea is to help our members learn how to make money online as the, most of us are also learning and doing this for many, many, many years. And every day you learn. Okay. It doesn't matter if you've been doing it for 50 years, 40 years, every day you learn. The day you stop learning, dead. That's what one of the foremost speakers say. The day you stop learning, you are as good as dead. Okay, so we have to learn every single day. There's new technologies, new concepts. A few years ago, we never knew about AI. Now we're talking about AI as the in thing now. We never knew about cloud computing a few years ago. Okay, we used to have big blocks of storages in computers, massive computers with massive storages right there where you store your data. But now you can send your data to the cloud and securely retrieve it and securely, privately store your data. Okay, so this new technology, you got to adapt, you got to learn. Okay, so you cannot stay away from AI, and you can see this is the future right now. AI, everybody's talking about cloud computing, GPU power, uh, cloud, data storage, data retrieval speeds, hosting, things that we never thought about. Some of us have been online since 1998. Things that we didn't hear those days, now we hear these things now. So you got to keep continuously learn, rejuvenate yourself, reinvent yourself, rediscover yourself so you can adapt with the new technologies. So now we're talking about blockchain technology. 2009, if you had talked to somebody about buying Bitcoin at $1, they would think you are crazy. Okay. If somebody had told you to buy Bitcoin in 2009 and they tell you Bitcoin is $1, can you buy some Bitcoin? Most of us would dismiss these people and thought they were crazy. Okay, but now here it is. One Bitcoin today, just now, is 95, almost $95,000. My, oh my, my, oh my. Look at that. Look at this. And it's not done yet because there is endless money out there that has the potential of going into crypto. There is so much money out there that has the potential to go into crypto in the coming months, years, to come, okay? Because, guys, the last lecture, the last live that we heard, I did bring up a board, okay? And as I tell you, let me see. Hold on. I don't want to leave this. Let me open this in a new tab and just take you a little back to what I was doing last week. Last week, I told you gold, 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 and we did a quick research on Google, actually, is over. Gold is over $17 trillion in value. Gold. Gold at the moment, it's over 17 trillion dollars in value. Gold. That is how much money is being put into gold. Over 17 trillion dollars. And gold is seen as a store of value. When the markets are misbehaving, most people take their money from the market and put it into gold. So this is seen as an asset that stores value. And gold has been used for centuries and decades of years to trade. Okay, so gold is a store of value. Countries would buy gold and store their reserves in gold. Bitcoin is a new kid on the block, okay, compared to gold. Bitcoin was started in 2009. So compared to gold, this is a really infant. It's an infant. It's at infancy. However, you can see how fast this kid is maturing, okay? 2009, maybe one Bitcoin was about $1. Now, 2024, one Bitcoin is about $95,000. Guys, can you see that? If that doesn't tell us something, then I don't know, man. Just simple maths. From $1 to $95,000 in less than 25 years. In less than 20 years. It's not even 20 years, guys. 2009 to 2024, that's 15 years. Now, that growth rate is massive. Okay, this is crazy. This is like a crazy, crazy return on investment. Okay. Now, some of you spend a lot of time on the social media, Instagrams, and you see some of those guys, the crypto young fellows and gurus who tell you they have millions of dollars. They probably got in here 2015, 2013, 2012, and they got into Bitcoin and bought some Bitcoin at cheap. If we look at the graph here, guys, let's go back to this is a weekly chart. Okay, you can see here. Let's go back to 2015. You guys can see Bitcoin was less than $5,000, one Bitcoin. So it didn't matter if you bought even one or half of the Bitcoin then, half BTC, if you could only afford, let's say, $1,000 in 2015 when Bitcoin was about $4,000. And some of these guys even got earlier. Some people got when Bitcoin was in the hundreds, $500 per Bitcoin. So if you bought one or two Bitcoins, you can see the return on your investment. That's crazy, right? Now, for those, some who got in even earlier at $1, they got Bitcoins at $1. So if they had put even $1,000, now these guys are millionaires. That's why they talk about being millionaires. Okay, and it's not a joke. Some of these guys got in early. Okay, now not all of us were lucky to do that. Okay, some of us were non-believers. When somebody told you about Bitcoin, you would tell them they're crazy. Get out of here. Okay, now it has come to pass. But you still have a chance. You can learn how to trade Bitcoin or the crypto market in general and still be able to earn as a side hustle. You can still earn some money by trading. And we teach these skills in the Smart Wolf Club. Learn how to trade crypto through our crypto trading masterclass. Trading basically gives you the opportunity, the skill. When Bitcoin goes up, you make money. When Bitcoin goes down, you make money. Okay, you learn how to take long trades and take short trades using spot trading or leverage trading, okay, where you take bigger risks. Again, there's an element of risk in all this. There's an element of risk, okay? There are no guarantees. There's an element of risk, but life is a risk anyway, okay? Whether you're trading crypto, stocks, forex, life is risky, okay? So you could lose your money. The stock market can come tumbling. Some of you are into housing market, the same thing. The houses can come, prices can come crashing down. We've lived through those crashes. 2008 is famously for that. Banks were collapsing. 2008, 2009, that was a tough time for the housing market. So these markets always go up and down. Not knowing that is crazy, naive. Okay, we know when there's a bubble, the bubble is gonna burst. It's like a balloon. You can only put so much air in the balloon. If you continuously pump the balloon, it's gonna pop, and that's exactly what happens in any market. Okay, but what I'm trying to tell you guys, let's go back to the story of gold and Bitcoin. Gold is 17 trillion, and it is seen as an escape from the markets to storage of value. Bitcoin is the new kid on the block who is trying to get some of this 17 trillion. So let's say Bitcoin even gets a quarter of this. A quarter of this, let's say, is 4 trillion. 4 trillion. Okay, right now, if we go to CoinGecko and look at the market cap for Bitcoin, guys, I didn't want to do this again, but I'm going to do it because somebody is asking what is the, hasn't Bitcoin got to its maximum level? I'm telling you, we are not even started yet. That's what I'm trying to show you here. We haven't even started yet. There's endless money. There is so much money out there that can actually inflow into crypto. There's so much money. Gold alone, there's 17 trillion on gold. If we take even a quarter of that market share of gold, just a quarter of that, it's going to push Bitcoin to 4 trillion. Bitcoin alone. And you guys know what happens when Bitcoin is pumping. The altcoins start racing. Altcoins may get 10x, 15x. So this is going to push the crypto market cap even higher, maybe 10 trillion before we are done, guys. So you can see the potential, or I'm the only one seeing the potential. No, I'm not the only one. Okay, many people are seeing the potential. You can look at what the micro strategies are doing. Okay, Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor, this guy is a billionaire. Okay, the CEO of MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor. This guy is continuously buying Bitcoin. Isn't Can't that tell us something? That should tell us something. This is somebody who manages billions of dollars. So when it comes to managing money, probably this is who else will be matching such person? You know what I'm talking about? Coinbase. Look at the Coinbase stock, a, tra- a publicly traded company. Okay, right now the stock is what, three something? We can look that really quickly. Let's go up here and look at stocks, and let's bring Coinbase. Yeah, I mean data. We have the data. We have the fundamentals. We have the data right here. Look at Coinbase. 311 right now. 311. You want to know how much it was a week ago or 2 weeks ago? Do you guys want to know? You don't want to know because you'll hate yourself. Look how much it was in September. Look, September. We are now in November, 2 months later. Look at how much Coinbase was in September. $40. What is the price right here? 69. In September, it was 69. 2 months later, it is 311. What is 311 divided by 69? Almost 5x. So that means if you had put $100 here in September, you went to the market and said you went to your Cash App or your Robinhood app and bought Coinbase stock for $100. You just bought it and held it. If you just went there and held it, okay, you bought the stock, you took our stock trading masterclass where we talk about all these simple strategies, and you had bought a Coinbase. You went and bought the Coinbase stock, okay? The Coinbase stock. You went and bought the Coinbase stock. Coinbase, right here. In September. You went and paid $100 and bought the Coinbase stock and just forgot about it. And then today you go and look at your account. Your account will be 5x. That means your $100 has ballooned to $500. In how many months? In 2 months. And why? The power of crypto. Okay, guys? Nothing else. I don't think there's any other theory. It's the power of crypto. And if it's the power of crypto, it's indirectly the power of Bitcoin. Bitcoin moved to 90 something uh, thousand, guys. I think I'm going to end the training here. And for those of you who want to learn more about trading crypto, how to get into the crypto market, how to buy crypto, please do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Go ahead. Don't deny yourself a chance to learn from some of the best trainers we have in the Smart Wolf Club. Okay. The best way to create wealth by unlocking your financial potential is trading the markets and digital marketing. Trading the markets doesn't mean you have to sit in front of your computer, guys. It might have a bad connotation, but trading the markets means you can just buy and hold. That's one of the, we call it the brain dead strategy of making money online in the markets. Trading. The brain dead strategy of trading is to buy and hold. You just go. I like the way Bitcoin is looking today. I buy it and I hold it. And I see it goes up to 100. Like 100,000 is a powerful psychological level. You can hold it until it gets to 100,000 and you sell it. So if you bought it at 90,000, a week later it's 100,000 or 2 days later because crypto pumps easily. You can wake up one morning, Bitcoin is at 90,000. That afternoon, Bitcoin is at 100,000. It moves fast, fast. And again, the converse is true. It can come down fast. Okay. So it's either way. But looking at the fundamentals right now, money is moving into crypto, and the recent US election is a positive to that. Okay. And basically, what you can see here, 2 months, we've already concluded that Coinbase alone. Let's look at micro strategies. Guys, you won't believe this. Look at micro strategies. Before I end this training, I'm going to look at MicroStrategy, which is the symbol is MSTR. Guys, oh my goodness, look at that bullish candle, the green candle here. This is the weekly chart. Look at this is like one of the it mimics the candle of Bitcoin. So exactly when Bitcoin pumps even 10%, MicroStrategy is pumping like 70%. Look at the price of MicroStrategy. Let's say if you bought in May, right there. May 1st, you decided to take your $1,000 and bought some MicroStrategy stock. It was at $30, okay? So let's say you got yourself $30, 30 stocks of MicroStrategy at $1,000, and now it is at 485. So divide that, 485 divided by 30, multiplied by 1,000. Guys, let me do that maths. This is crazy. This is crazy. So we said $1,000 times 485 per stock divided by $30 per stock. What do you get? Let's bring another free tool. It's called the Google Calculator because people find this stuff to be too hard. It's not that hard. You just need to learn. You just need somebody to show you. And we are here, guys, all the time, all day long to show you. And I tell you, join the Smart Wolf Club. You think it's jokes. Look at that. It's 16 times. 16x. Guys, 16x times 1,000. That was your initial investment. My friend, you'll be sitting at 16,000 right now. 16,000 just from May 1st. This is May 1st. I can't even write. I'm so excited. May 1st, 2024 to November 20th, 2024. This is about 6 months. Okay. In 6 months, we can't even talk about triple your investment. It's not, the ROI is crazy. Okay. It's a 3,000, more than 3,000, more than 16,000. My goodness. My goodness. I'm going to end the training here because I'm so excited, guys. Now, if you want to learn some of these simple strategies, just make sure you join the Smart Wolf Club. And some of you are used to being sold a lot of stuff. I am not selling you anything here right now. Okay. You can simply go here and put a comment right here. You can come down here and comment and we'll answer. And if you really need help, you can email us here and just say, I need help doing ABCD. Be very specific because we get tons of mail. So we can only, go to the point directly. Don't beat about the bush. Just say what your problem is, and one of our coaches is gonna answer. They might take some time. They're extremely busy. Right now, some of the master classes are full. You may have to join a waiting list. So if you go to the master class and you find that it's full, don't give up. Just put your name, pen down your name, and you'll be invited at the opportune time, okay, when we have time to take care of you. Or you can go to the Telegram groups, WhatsApp, those of you who like, or any of these social medias, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Guys, I think I should end the training here because we don't want to keep it too long. Some of you have the attention span of goldfish. So when they see a 1 hour video, most of you are like, you want to go to the next cut meme video, which is seconds. Okay, most people want that quick gratification. All right, I think I'm going to end it there. May the Almighty, power of the Almighty, be good to you and help you in the markets as you navigate your investments in crypto, guys. May the Almighty be with you. Okay, and remember, if you feel you made the wrong choice, you bought something and it's going negative, that's not the end of the road, okay? You can read the book of those who are Christians and those of you who are not Christians. This can make a good read for you. You can go and read the book of Philippians, I can't write, chapter 4, verse 19. Basically, his ways are not our ways, okay? We do not understand. That's what keeps you going in the markets because the markets are going to slap you sometimes, okay? You might enter in too late, too early, and it might give you a slap on your face. But this will keep you going, guys. Brothers and sisters, I'm going to end the training here, and I will see you in our next live. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this training with the people that you love because this training can change somebody's life. Okay? And if you need help, please don't don't suffer alone. We are right there. We are a phone call away. We are DM away. We are just an email away. We are just a comment away. You can comment below the video and someone is going to help you. Trust me, somebody is going to help. It may take a day or two or an hour or two, depending on how busy they are, but our coaches are going to help you. And even some of our students who have gone through our trainings, there are many, many of them. Some of them will take this up and help you personally. Okay, I've seen that happening in the group, people helping each other. Goodbye, guys. I'm going to end the training now, and I will see you in our next live, which is tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you.